Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve GATE sample question 2022 for engineering mathematics. Limit x tend to 0 log of e sin x by cot of x is equal to what? So this is the question in the house of calculus. So now limit x tend to 0 log of e base sin x by cot x. This is the given limit. So here it is shows that this is infinity by infinity form. As we know, log of e base 1 is equals to 0, log of e base 0 is equals to minus infinity, log of e base infinity is equal to infinity. So that is equal to, now applying infinity, so applying LH rules. So now that is equal to limit x tend to 0 1 by sin of x into cos of x by cosec square x minus cosec square x, that is equal to, so 1 by sin x cos x, so here limit x tend to 0 minus of cos of x by sin x into sin square x. So here one sin x is cancelled off, so limit x tend to 0 minus sin x cos x. Now putting the limiting value, so here minus sin 0 cos 0, that is equal to 0. So it is our required solution. So this is the whole solution of question 22. Now moving to question 23. So question 23 tells us that is 7 to the power n plus 5 to the power n whole 1 by n, that is equal to what? So here it is shows 7 to the power n plus 5 to the power n whole 1 by n. So just simplifying this one, taking 7 to the power n common, just limit n tends to infinity, limit n tends to infinity. So here we get 1 plus 5 by 7 whole n to the power 1 by n. This is in full in bracket. So now look at this, 5 by 7 is less than 1, 5 by 7 whole square is more less than 1, 5 by 7 whole cube is more and more less than 1, and 5 by 7 whole infinity is almost equivalent to 0. So now here it is x here, sorry n here. So limit n tends to infinity. Now 7 to the power n into 1 by n, just simplifying this one, and 1 plus 5 by 7 whole n to the power 1 by n. So it is cancelled, n and n is cancelled, so it is only 7. Limit n tend to infinity. Here we get 1 plus 5 by 7 whole n to the power 1 by n. So this one is equals to 7 into limit, just putting the limiting value. So here we get 1 plus 5 by 7 whole infinity, and here 1 by infinity. So now that is equal to 7 into 1 plus 0 whole 0, So that is equal to 1. 7 into 1 to the power 0 means 1, that is equal to 7. So it is our required solution. So this is the solution of question 23. Now moving to question 24. So question 24 tells us find the value of ABC where A is limit x tend to 0 a into e to the power x minus b cos x plus c into e to the power minus x by x sin x is equal to 2. It is a get sample question 2022. So limit x tend to 0 a into e to the power x minus b into cos of x plus c into e to the power minus x by x sin x is equals to 2. This is given. Now for our calculation, limit x tend to 0 a into e to the power x minus b into cos of x plus c into e to the power minus x, and simplifying the denominator as x squared sin x by x. So denominator become x and x into sin x, just simplifying this one. So now that is equal to this one, we know limit x tend to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. So this one is equal to 1. So limit x tend to 0 a into e to the power x minus b into cos of x plus c into e to the power minus x by x square. So that is equal to putting limiting value. So here we get a into a plus cos of, it is cos of x. So cos b plus c by that is x if x square is here, rest of x square, so we get this one is equal to 2. As because a minus b plus c that is equal to 0, this is equation 1. A minus c is equals to is equals to 0. So that implies a is equals to c. It is equation 2. So now now this one is equals to, we may say 2, as it is 2 given. So a plus b plus c that is equal to 4 implies it is equation 3. Just numbering the equation. So from 1 we get, from 1 a is equals to a minus b plus c is equals to 0. So a is equal to c. If we put a is equal to c is equal to a, then from 1 become 2a minus b is equals to 0. That implies 2a is equals to b here. So this is equation 4. So from 3 we get putting all the values. So it is a plus b plus a is equals to 4 implies 2a plus b is equals to 4. So it is equation 5. So from 4 and 5 here we get 4a is equals to 4. That implies from 4 and 5. So a is equals to 1. Now from 4 2 minus b is equals to 0. That implies b is equals to 2. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. And from 2 a is equal to c. So a is equal to c is equal to 1 here. So we reached a is equal to 1, b is equal to